There is much hype surrounding meditation these days. A great place to start is by learning how to meditate correctly. This article will teach you 10 tips for successful meditation. 10 tips for a successful meditation. If you're not committed to meditating daily, it's not going to work. Choose a time of day that suits you best for meditation. Morning or evening are great options, but early in the morning is also really helpful because your mind will be less distracted and more aware of what's happening around you. Start with 5 minutes when first learning how to meditate. This will give you an idea of what it's like to sit still without any distractions for an extended amount of time. Rest in between sessions. Even though meditation seems like a huge commitment, remember that it's also just as important to take some time away from the practice too. Find an object, i.e., a candle, close your eyes, tune into your breathing and then meditate on that object until you feel the need to open your eyes. Continue this practice until you can sit comfortably for 10 minutes without feeling like you need to get up and do something else. Learn more at the link below. Follow